It's griddling time. Something we haven't done in a very long time for some reason. Crunchwraps. So we got soft shells, we got hard shells, we got meat, we got beans, we got this, we got that. And we're going to have some lettuce and tomato. Let's get started. Okay. Look at that sunset, huh? Hopefully we'll finish before the sun disappears. And we're still trying to figure out how we're going to do it. Last time I cooked the refried beans in a separate pot on the griddle and then mixed the burger in, and it kind of sucked. I don't want it sucking this time, but we got our ground beef and we definitely need it. So we're going to start pounding out the ground beef. There it goes, round and round. Where it stops, I don't know. Let's use this griddle. I like this griddle, or spatula. Spatula. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Let go. And let's just put a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic, etc. Blend on, just so it's not bland beef. Now I was going to put queso cheese on mine, but having two kinds of cheese just seemed like a pain in the buttska. So we got shredded Mexican style, and I think it will do just fine. That's my theory. We'll find out if that theory is correct or not. Da, 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 da. Now then, we're going to put a little bit of veggie oil. Oh, is that a dog hair? Baja, are you putting dog hairs on my griddle? How dare you? How rude. She says it's not her. She also says throw the ball or I'll do it again. Silly dog. Baja the Wonder Dog, our co-host extraordinaire. Da-da-da. My lovely assistant is looking at me like I'm crazy. Again. She does often, though. Sometimes I wake up and she's looking at me like I'm crazy. She's not responding because she's camera shy, supposedly. Although she did a wonderful job on the potato pancakes. Well, ooh, it smells like Alpo. No, it smells like refried beans. Doesn't it? I think it smells like refried beans. La da 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 da. Baja says it does not smell anything like Alpo. She says it smells like non-dog food. And she also says, please throw the tennis ball. Da, 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 da. So we got our burger going. We got our beans heating up. Beans don't take long. We'll spread them out a little. Maybe they'll get a little bit of the wonderful char that we love. The burger won't take long either. Da, da, da. What do you think, huh? Now my lovely assistant kitten thinks we should put the beans and the beef on separately onto the thing. I'm just lazy is all. That's my only reasoning. It makes a mess when you get it all over your spoon and your spatula sometimes. But we're going to continue heating this. No reason for you to sit through the argumentative stage. No, the watching water boil, watching paint dry, watching a dog bark for her tennis ball. We'll continue browning the beef and we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, it's the moment of truth. Should we mix? Should we not mix? I say we mix. If there's a mistake, remember, I screw up so you don't have to. That's our motto. It's not nearly as gooey this time, I think. Maybe that's just my imagination. That's it. Doesn't that look... Works out much better when it's not in a pan, I think. Oh, look at that. Yummy. Wait, you know what it needs? I think it needs something to make it Mexican. Like enchilada sauce. Just a little flavor. Flavor. You know I have to say that. I'm contractually obligated to say flavor. Anytime I use the word flavor. I try to stop myself, I do. But I've been doing it for 47 years now. Ever since flavor hit the scene. Okay, we got us some nice. Would you like me to put it in a bowl, or would you just want me to put it on from here? Probably need to put it on in a bowl, huh? Okay. Yum. I haven't checked the enchilada quotient to see if it's perfectly balanced with the solid ingredients, or semi-solid, actually goopy ingredients. But we can always add more enchilada, right? Right. This last little bit just doesn't want to go. Go. It's hot. Hot stuff. Okay, we got the sauce. And let me put on just a little more Earl, just to be safe. Don't want things to burn. Okay, gonna drop that on just for a second to make sure it's pliable. Okay, that's probably good. Maybe. And we're going to move. Hold on, hold on. And now my sprockets. Now my lovely assistant is spooning the goo. Spooning the goo. Spooning, spooning, spooning. You know what? While she's spooning, I'm going to take out another tortilla and heat it. And feel free to explain what you're doing or not explain, or tell them they're a bunch of naughty children. Naughty, naughty. Okay, this is ready. It's also hot. Are you ready for your facial? Oh, hot towel. So, she did it wrong. Go ahead, though. Now, I'll explain on the second one what she did wrong.
Well, as you always say, we make mistakes so they don't have to.
That's true. So what you want to do normally is put the hot stuff on the bottom of the tortilla, put the tortilla on, and then put the soft ingredients. Or I mean the cold ingredients. Normally. We don't always do it that way because sometimes we're rebels. That's right, Baja, rebels. Rebel dog. So, look at that fold. You'd think she'd rolled stuff before. So hot. You can put the cheese on, and then the other.
Okay, so hot. Then
Piece of cheese.
that's what I did.
And then the tortilla to separate.
Oh, this one. Okay, the tostada.
Tostada.
Okay. Getting this one not bent. Okay.
And then the lettuce and tomato.
Ah, then the lettuce and tomato.
The cold. Just like the McDLT. Hot side stays hot, cold side stays cold.
Wasn't gonna name.
Isn't that pretty? Look how pretty. Isn't she talented? She's not only is she beautiful, she's talented.
Aww.
She likes extra cheese. She's very cheesy. That's why she loves me. Because everyone knows I'm the cheesiest. Okay, let's move back over to the griddle while you see how she's folding in layers or something, I don't know. Okay, back here to the griddle.
Want me to put this one down?
She's putting that one down. It's got a little hole on it. That's probably because I didn't heat it well enough. But it's okay. See, it's getting the lovely, whatchamacallit that we like so much. Let's get a little of this meat that's left. So, we're almost there, we're almost there. It's almost summer. And the sun has moved behind the mountains, but we still have enough light. It's still beautiful. See, isn't that gorgeous? She knows I'm going to try to spin the camera around, but we already know she's gorgeous. Even though she's camera shy. Okay, we're going to finish eating these, and that's it. We're ready to eat. So, y'all, thanks for watching again. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, subscribing, helpful comments, all the wonderful things that you do. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we appreciate y'all, and we'll see you next time. Even Baja. Bye, y'all. Want to say goodbye?
Bye.